So, there's our ship. Wow, our little ferry. That little ferry over there is going to take us across this bit of ocean to the island that you can see vaguely in the background over there. And from there we're going to catch a bus for about an hour and a half to 2 hours to Kalibor Airport, where we will take our flight at 2 o'clock, 2:30 to Taipei. As you can see though, it's been pouring buckets this morning. Look at that. It's been pouring absolute buckets this morning. And yeah, we're very fortunate that this is our last day, well, our last morning, because who would want to go to the beach when it's raining buckets? That's just bad. There goes the ferry. We have to wait for the rest of our group. Although we didn't go on a package with a group, we kind of bought group tickets, so we have to do everything with the group, goings and comings with the group. Other than that, we were all alone. Yeah, so anyway, this is the ferry terminal where I'm filming this from. There's not much to see here. There are some houses on the side over here with some families. You can see these people hanging out on their front porch, as it were. Yep, there's a family hanging out on their front porch. And there's another house right next door, and the neighbor was doing something, but she's vanished. Oh, is she going back? No, she's gone. Yeah. And so there's not much here. Yeah, so we're very, very fortunate that we've had tremendous weather the 5 days we were here, and we're just very happy to have enjoyed the sunshine. It's very interesting to see this tropical rain though. I've always read about the tropical rain in Asia. There's somebody we all know and love, and it's been a constant feature on our video blog, videos and pictures, our stories. You don't know who that is by now. Shame on you. Yeah, so this is the ferry terminal. As you can see, there's not much here. There's one small stall selling a few bits and pieces of food to eat. Seems like some breads and some condiments for the breads, some nuts. Yeah. Hello. Hi. And yeah, this is the last view of the tuk-tuks we're going to have on Boracay, at least. You can see on the front of the tuk-tuks they're full of plastic because it's raining so hard. So that's kind of their front windscreen to protect them from the rain. Well, how effective that is. Yeah, so that's the ferry terminal in Boracay. This is where we arrived and this is where we will leave from. That's one of the quarters. Okay. They do have the Be Honest sign, and that's a good place to end. But be honest even if others are not, even if others will not, even if others cannot. He who walks honestly walks purely. And that's it. So from Boracay, our final video. Bye bye.